Saturday and it's a beautiful morning. Josh and Daddy are harvesting calamansi. Josh, lower. And I'm watering the plants.
This one looks so nice.
Look at our rock soil. Which one?
This calamansi.
Beautiful. Look at this, like joy. It's so beautiful. At this box. And then here. And then over there. Here is our salad garden. Salad box. And look at the speckled lettuce.
We're gonna have one.
So beautiful. This one too.
We're gonna make so much calamansi juice. Oh my gosh, you don't know how much calamansi juice we're gonna make. We're gonna make so much calamansi juice it will overfill that jar again.
And we're gonna be healthy. And Mommy said if we see your Grammy, we're gonna bring her some because so many.
A lot, yeah. And Josh just already like drinks calamansi juice in school, right? Every day. I make calamansi juice for you every day, right?
And it's still like so much.
Actually, we have another calamansi there.
Really?
On the other side, yeah.
May bunga?
Yeah, dami. Josh, can I see your harvest?
We have 34 calamansi in this. 35 calamansi here.
No, 36.
And keep on coming.
And keep on coming. We have a lot of calamansi. Look at those. It's a beautiful day.
They're jiggling.
Huh? Can I see your harvest, Josh? Oh, wow. Calamansi. Lots of calamansi. And Daddy keeps on picking more.
Here, Papa.
I don't know how much we have.
We're gonna do a barter trade.
A barter trade. A barter trade with Grammy. Calamansi to PS5.
That's
A
unfair
barter trade with Grammy. Right?
Yeah.
But we gotta use some of them for calamansi juice. Am I right?
Mommy's probably going to say, how about if I just buy you a calamansi tree?
We have a lot of lemons too.
Oh, here, Papa.
Half of these will go to Grammy. Half of these would be in our
For your
calamansi juice. Yeah. Look, I can't believe this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I need more efficient. 1, 2, 3.
This is the wind chime that we got from Mission San Juan Capistrano last weekend. Look, let's hang this. Beautiful.
100.
100?
And then we'll bring lemon.
Daddy got 100. And there's our wind chime. I'll show you the blueberries, the blueberry flowers. Look at how beautiful. Bees are busy on this lavender. Hello, bees. A lot of bees. See? Busy harvesting lemons now. Oranges. There's the squirrel. Look, this is orange, lemon, and lime. Perfect, thank you. Different varieties of orange.
Oh my gosh, colorful. Yellow and golden.
Oh my god, there's a lot already.
And oranges.
Oranges too. Our harvest. So, moving this, it's overflowing. I'm moving the lemons on this basket. We're having breakfast here in the garden. We have the eggs. Those two are for me and the husband. And then this one, which is a little bit cooked, is for Josh. And then oranges from the garden. And Nuremberg sausages from the farmer's market. And German sausages here. You want to check? Yeah, can I check? Here's what they have.
Okay, one Nuremberg. You've had this before?
Yes,
yes.
in Nuremberg.
In Nuremberg.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Okay, cool. It'll be exciting.
Milk for Josh and coffee for me and the husband. And this is leftover from Terra, Mare, the Italian restaurant where we had dinner last night. This is the ossobuco, braised lamb ossobuco over there. It says braised lamb ossobuco, risotto milanese, and green peas. Dahil siya lagay ba sa dito? Hindi. Ayaan ko lang, no? Try to drop it.
Tatanggal na.
Ha? 1908 drop it.
Thank you, Tom.
This is lamb shank. Let's eat. Look at the oranges from our garden.
It's good.
It is.
Is lavender hard to get?
What do you mean hard to get?
Like hard to achieve?
Hard to plant? It is. It's not easy to plant, right? Sometimes they will try it and they would like die.
So good.
But you did
The
well.
Nuremberg.
You did really well.
Thank you.
I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5.
The Nuremberg sausages are from the farmer's market.
Oh my god.
There are some like flowers now, look. White and then some pink. And there is lavender too. Look at this, beautiful flowers. This one too. But these are like this dead like leaves that I need to remove. We have more here, different colors. It's my favorite. Beautiful pink. To this place, the duff again.
Yeah, we're selling Leslie. Yeah, our Rockies.
Yeah, Rockies.
Always busy.
Yeah.
Because they're Armenians.
They're Armenians from Iran.
Yeah, from Nuremberg. Yeah.
But it's so busy there.
Yes, I know. I tried Saturday. They said 1 hour. It's like at 2 o'clock.
You guys went to Carousel?
Yeah, we love carousel. I love the liver.
That's the Lebanese.
Yeah.
Again, it's Armenian, but it's Lebanese Armenian. I mean, it's the same.
Like they are delicious. They're in you know, the nurse is 3 hours.
And you have a wonderful time.
They need to do.
We met with friends for dinner, and now we're going home.
Yes. Did you enjoy the dinner, Josh?
Yes.
Which one is your favorite?
It's gotta be the chicken.
The chicken kebab.
Me too,
Right?
chicken kebab.
I didn't try the chicken
Fist
kebab,
bump,
but
Papa.
I had the nadiri. It's so
Papa,
good.
oh my God,
The
Mom.
nadiri is also good.
You should try
Thank you,
the
Josh.
chicken kebab.